A new free font available on the Graphic Extras website. There's also a lot of other fonts as well, but this one I've just added. It's an alien round free font design. It's sort of rounded rectangle abstract designs that you can use in thousands of different ways, all royalty free. So please visit the website just up here and download it. And once you've actually done that, now I'm using a Mac, so just going to go over here to the Finder, and it's an OTF file. Basically got the zip file you download, and OTF file, and just basically use the open with and use font book on the Mac. For the PC, just use the control panel and the font section, just add a font there. Now, once you've actually added that font, what you can do, just going to quickly go to Photoshop, and there's Photoshop. Just go over to the horizontal type tool. There's another option as well, you can go to Window and Glyphs. It's probably another easy way. And here's the actual designs. So you've got all the various designs. I always find the Glyphs actually quite a useful panel because you can just basically go there and select. So you just select there, set the size. So I'm going to go for 72. Could go for 144 to make it a bit more visible. And then just click on there and you can see it's obviously applied in red design there. There's other designs, there's a whole range of different designs, and which you can, of course, just drag out. They're vector designs, so you can just make them any size you want. And obviously you don't have to stay with that same colour. So you can decide you don't want red, you want black. Click OK, and you've got the design. You can change the design. Very simple. Just click in there. A whole range of different designs. Now, next thing to do, and I'm just going to use E. One of the characters E from the keyboard. So just apply E, and we can move that out of the way a bit. And what you can do is this nice sort of colouring effect. So you want to sort of drag that out. You can, of course, I always find it actually easy just to convert, say, type and convert to shape. Personally, I just prefer to work in that way. So you just quickly convert it to shape, and it just seems to be easier to manipulate. So just move that around, rotate. And once you've actually done that, press return. Now you can flatten that, so it's just a standard layer at that point. Now it's obviously flattened. What you can do, you can actually, and I'm just going to recolour the thing. So what you can do, just select over here the magic wand. Just go there and select an area of white there. Obviously it depends on the background. Maybe you've got a different background, maybe you've got red colour background, but in this case I've got white background and I've got black for the thing. So I've just selected that area. Now what you can do, edit and fill, and just go up here with the foreground colour. Obviously at the moment it's black, so what you want to do is go to Swatches, and that's the easiest way just to quickly colour the thing. So just select, say, pink or green or whatever, then just go edit and fill, and then click OK, and that fills that colour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill that. However, a much quicker way of doing it is obviously still got to do the selection. So I'm just going to select another area, but you can hold down the Option or Alt, depending on your machine, the Alt key, etc. And what you can do then is backspace. Hold down the Alt Option plus backspace, and just, that's it, fills it with the current colour there, foreground colour. So you don't actually have to bring up the dialogue. So you can just go up there, just select there, just change the colour, and then Alt Option and backspace, and you just apply that. So no annoying dialogue popping up all the time. Always gets in the way, I always think. I think it's just a nice thing. Just you can just select that, go to red, and then again just do that, and again Alt Option, whatever, and change the colour there. Of course, if you don't like that colour, you can always change the blue, and again Alt Option / backspace, and blue, and there, and pink. And of course you don't have to fill all the entire thing. So it creates a really nice, I think, quite abstract background, which you can use, of course, in your work. Now what you can do, and it can be any size. That's the one thing about the fonts. They can be used as brushes as well. So there's a whole range of different, so you just select that. And I'm just going to finish off at this point. That. Right. So that's just a quick, nice background. Very simple using that combination of. But you can, of course, use them for much, much more. So what you can do, I'm just going to quickly create a new document. Just quick new, untitled. Right. You can use it as a brush stroke. That's quite a useful thing. So you just quickly go over the type tool again, just select and enter a, I'm going to go for black, set the colour to black, maybe T, U, there's a whole range of designs. So all free, download it and just use it. So you can use that, select that, and once you've actually got that design, again you can resize. Oh, again, just quickly go to type, convert to shape. You can, of course, once it's actually a shape, you can edit and unfortunately define custom shapes, not available there. Just use direct selection tool and you can just select the whole lot and then edit and define custom shape. Click OK. So you've got that as a custom shape as well now. You can resize it, makes it much easier than type personally. So, right, so you've got that design there. You can then use it maybe as a source for a pattern design. Maybe not particularly great as a patterns, but it can be used, and flatten image there and edit and define brush preset. So you've got that now as a brush. So fill that foreground colour and maybe make that white and just go one of the brush tools and just apply the brush stroke. And so you can create very quick abstract background designs just by changing the colour as well. Just change that colour there, pink, whatever. Right, whole range of very quick designs using this font set. Hope you found this of interest. Please check out the Graphic Extras website, graphicextras.com. Always adding free fonts as well as obviously commercial fonts, ones that you can obviously purchase. And there's a whole range of other designs as well available on the site. And also always adding new tutorials as well. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.